Away. Lovely. Your Pepe. Jesus Christ. Hey. This Pepe where you carry come, so I grant Enyan fiame with Cameroon Pepe. I bring it together. I use it to rub somebody anus. I rub it cheese, Jonah. Cheese. Got you. Now we they run now. Enter them over here with Facebook. Lovely don't break table leg. Lovely break table leg. My people. My poopo, lovely don't scatter table leg yesterday. Now they watch video and they do makeup. Now say, make her they do this video. So, I don't know that the air cast like this yesterday. Now it makes some people come, they ask me for comment section, say, Mama, what in the apple? Who you cast again? Who you cast again? Man, small picking, eh? Me una not let people preach, nyama preach for now. Small pikin, eh, when you don't already day, receive 4,000, 100 and something euro every month from age of how many years, can't reach this time. 22 years for abroad. That is bosa. Are you kidding? My pikin, Oh, my daughter, God will bless you. Stay there. Now, one day now. My son, I'll carry and come out. You go they run pattern for Facebook. Now, so we take the do and we they arrange something before they carry and they come out. We prepare it before we bring it out. My daughter, she's a medical doctor. Are you kidding? What do they think? What are you thinking? Why? It's not be to come to talk for Facebook. Use your brain. Instead of una to follow Oyibo way, una born children for abroad. Una they follow Nigeria way. They do saga. Take your life and take everything out of your life. Small picky, my people. You know they work for Fabrica. My people, can Fabrica worker receive 4,000 plus for a month? I been born a right time for you. If you not the right comment, if you people are writing comment, please write it right, not right. Ride it, ride. You know, right and ride is quite different. It's like come and ride car with me. Let me give you a lift. My people, no, I don't let somebody come to deceive you now. If live video presenter fish talking for man say lovely boss Facebook with a daughter money where they receive every month. My person, if you be mother, you not go say you want to go see that woman. Ukiyo onokwo ni relo re ni da relo e o onokwo na relo re ni da relo e onokwo na. Are you kidding? Ask women when they Europe. Ask them carry for call. Tell them say a 22 years old. He not the nickel for Facebook they dance. He not go TikTok they dance. He's well educated child. Now me they run now. I am coming for a grant when we say that they go school. We know they carry last. If a child of 22 years, you never they use the occupation they work now. Now waiting they build when they go school. Waiting they build when they go school. Now it be that money. When they say one live video presenter you want buy. The day now when I go carry another one come out now you go they shout. I go show you these things. You go say so you just use time to do all those things. Time for good things for your children. We cannot go they shout say, hey my children, I did with this one, I did with that one, I did with that one. When I get children for us with papa for us, and our children don't feed they nothing when if he come on. Pikin no fit, papa no fit give pikin idea, mama no fit give pikin idea. Make una say bad poor. My people, I first say, more I don't let anybody preach poverty for now. Hi, Esther Tasho. How you doing? Good morning, my sister. Happy New Year. Don't let person preach poverty for you. Esther Tasho, you be live video presenter. A child of 22 years old, his salary, when they earn for a business, now 4,107. You go pay tax comot 970 something euro. My love, I'll be good mother. My pikin not dey shake nyash for TikTok, oh. My pikin not dey shake nyash for Facebook, oh. My pikin not dey shake nyash for Instagram, oh. She work for it. She build herself. She build herself. You be mother. Your pikin don't reach 19 years. Not be 18 years. Not be your pikin, your son complete that day. And just say, Mama Barrister, you break table leg. I was doing this. Then they laugh me, say, Lovely, you know they travel. Lovely, you know they do this. Lovely, you know they do this. I said, no, I know they travel. I will call Zuzu there. My personal person, they come Facebook on Zuzu there. I go Zuzu there for Europe. If I reach Nigeria, I go see Zuzu there and go chest her. My sister, the day when you did Nigeria that day, when you dey build house, this thing when you did there, when you pack for ground, smith when you pack for ground, people don't know how much it be. They don't know that they say enter house, enter house. When you reach Nigeria, a bag of cement was 5,000 naira. How many day grant that they calculate? Calculate St. Jonah. They stay for Facebook that they make noise, that they shout. Una they shout. We know they show. We they do and finish before we come they show now. And then I wish to say, no, Lovely not they show. Lovely go come do and finish before Lovely come show am more. Now Roofy be this one. Now Roofy night be this. I know they show fake. You are welcome, my darling. If they shout for there, my pikin, now professional doctor, now he be. See that there. The day when I go see bring her come out now, you yourself go see say, she not gonna tell us, why you not gonna talk her before we go come they congratulate you. No, we know they show things when we they do. We know they show them for eye. We they do and finish before eye they do one. Who when can record berry? Punky seed, if they come out and they hide, they produce. You are welcome, my darling. No, when I say for Facebook there. Thank you, my love. Check on. I was building it. I was there with my children. They shout now 4,000 euro. Now you they shout 4,000 euro when I just show you a month salary. Now you they shout. Not go talk the money when it could be say it day your account. A month salary. Calculator for 2 months, how much it go be? You get money. Now so that they tell they picking they if there is no carry any black man come out, he go say he don't work for fabrica, same month end, say na 4,000 euro that they pay. Are you kidding? My daughter work with computer. He work with computer, he shop computer and a computer wizard. Are you serious? Hi, love. How you doing? I be say I don't see you. Ojuku, I don't know say I break table leg yesterday. Ojuku, I don't know say I break table leg yesterday. Now the skeleton of the roofing be this one. Ojuku, you know say I see high. The skeleton of the roofing. Now the front now show. Now I want come on for your head. So if I show the full one, you go say Jesus Christ, madam, where you for see money? She say now, I they look at the go. One person say, Ojuku, and they look at the go. One person say to roof house now, 2 million naira. I say, you delay. You know, that means say you not the roof. Only this wood they low is getting to 3 million naira. You the zuzu. You know the chest, I know if you chest and leave that area. This is now what it say be. I break table leg yesterday. Congratulations, bet. Who good day left for the? Who got the leave for the house? I die. My love, I die. I never finished the house, so This is when they take the shot, so. Our self, over high. Not be, Ojuku, not be every day they preach for year. Not be every day they preach. You they, since when they enter last year, more say last year, we they preach. Not be every day we they preach, eh? You they learn. Ojuku, now Europe you day. Have you ever seen any child when they do le bouquet, when they receive 4 point something thousand euro? You don't ever see. My daughter is a medical doctor. They practice medical doctor now. When you talk, say, maybe they can't put something for granted, say, they want can't they operate. My daughter don't they go there. Sometimes he go say, Mommy, let me use you for an experiment. I say, no, my daughter, don't use me for an experiment too. No can expire my body. Say there for there, they do nyanga. The day when Ojuku did this platform, another mama did this platform. That mama, he did London. When my pikin, they explain Torah, what did the woman talk? He say, wow, lovely, you try. Tell my pikin, say, make it can't tell you, all your organs when they body, he go tell you all. Stay for there. No more they talk, look at the advice, irrelevant advice. Only waiting that they carry come as advice now makeup. I can't buy lead, I can't buy Simiaki, I can't buy Elenevi, I can't buy Lady Lara, I can't buy million Elenevi paint, I can't just paint my mouth. Are you preaching that? Preaching that? Are you serious? My love, I break table. Man, look somebody Lovely disable somebody yesterday. I'm a disabled nigga. I go disable you. What you make a the day now wish leave me? You they talk a the day now wish. And the day now wish no get house for Nigeria. Now me they motivated the day now wish now be make a the day now wish can't tell you. If a the day now wish she go let her talk. He go say, "Vai lovely cheme do talk." And every day line lovely day they insult me for Facebook. May I go buy land every day. One person say, Mama say, now wow, your injection, even who you talk to, even who you not talk to, the injection go enter the person body. Now say, wait, he say one live video presenter don't do one blog you. I say, which live video presenter be that one? He said the live video presenter, he say now only she be live video presenter when debut us for Nigeria. I say, he tell me, I said, no, Mama, I don't want to tell you. He said, Mama, I don't want to tell you. Live video presenter, when I don't put for saga, he won't carry himself, come out. I beg. I beg. Nah. Oh, my God. These people are funny. Thank you, my love, my darling. Let God favor us. Let God give us the wisdom and the knowledge. Our children will put something into their life so that we're not going to make noise for Facebook. You were there that day, Ojuku. You were with us that I think is inside last year. My daughter was here. There is another one mama, Rock. She was there also. She was reading comment. She was writing comment. My daughter was replying the comment. Everything when the woman they talk, my daughter they answer her. He say, lovely. You try. He say, only this opiki alone, you try. Your children. The woman they talk and come reach today, you say, my sister, now your children, now you make me fall in love with you. Fall in love with you. Where? You are there. That is how mother do. Oh, how can they carry person? Wahala. Hey, wahala. Wahala de wahala. Wahala de wahala. Put something for your children life. No, how can they preach nyama nyama jagbajastic? Okay, is how many Facebook are they use? Now the one you drink this morning, Dorafe. Are you in alcohol this morning? Now the Facebook when they operate, the Facebook I they use. I use Lovely Kioya and I use Cooking with the Barrister. Then when they get 15 Facebook, they go set the phone down. They go there YouTube, they go there Instagram, they go there Facebook, they go there Minigram, they go there Atagram, they go there and they look for Monigram. At the end of the day, there is nothing to bring out. They say Piki they do le bouquet. Forget that one. May I ask you, don't Rafe, you don't sit there for abroad though. You know, you get a daughter which you want your daughter to have good life, better life, and have good education and a good occupation. You don't ever see person when don't work for Fabrica, You go receive 4,000 euro for a month for black. Even for you both safe. For where you they work. Or let's say that person, now he gets that all those people where they repair. You know if they there, because if you repair the factory machine finish, you go come out. All those people that they receive 20,000 euro a month, 15,000 euro, 10,000 euro, those mechanical engineer. They make money. You don't ever see where Peking of 22 years, they receive 4,000 plus a month. You don't see her, don't Rafa, if you don't see her, I beg. You go tell me, if you never see her, tell me, say, mama, you try, your Peking. I build that. I know when they carry bag and they go party. Lovely, you know they show, you know they go party. Go they carry my children, they go, they give people for house. And they go party, and they come. And before Tuesday, I'll come for party. Instead of not to arrange with our children. No. Now make me they tell my people when they Facebook. When their children just they grow up, they come. That is what I am telling them. Because I'm a mother. I was there. I did too something they do video. Even the last time when he do a work for 6 months. The work where he work now hospital now they work. During the time of coronavirus, now has a day. Now has he for the work through computer when they carry con giver. They part the computer con. I don't understand because that was not it. That was not laptop work. That was computer. All those computer when they did office, they carry to come. And when I put on for, if I do one for inside a room, then later it can't say there to the hot for summer. Then I can't say okay, what you go do? You go carry and go downstairs. Did you see it? When somebody even conserve, somebody write for comment say this computer is not on. Now tell the person say yes, say she never fixed the computer. The person can't say okay. Because the person just fix say maybe I just use the computer, I want use and they do like for pepper then. No. That's now it will be that one. Any work when they work, even if say one work 1 hour work, now hospital. Because waiting are there. When my pikin do stashe, you did this country, you know, especially children they do stashe. Work practicing, you go work for your school. Now government, you go work. You do your school 3 times in a week. You do your stashe 2 times in a week. They always they put on for Monday and Friday. You must do it for the government if they go school. When she was doing her stashe, she's do her stashe for hospital. Now hospital she for do her stashe. Are you kidding? She say now maybe to now they use that Nigeria village market mentality. Now you know that this somebody that is with you is very intelligent. It's good for you to come out from a home when educated people dey. You go still go school. Not be come waka go here, waka go here, waka go here. Now come they preach Simon. for Facebook. You see, huh? They bring the for not during coronavirus now. One everywhere. They bring the DC come for here. Did you know how many almost 1 year now they do that work? They inside house, they do one. Inside house now they do one. You know they carry back come out. They do one for inside because they bring the computer, a laptop, the DC, the office computer. They bring her for her. They see her. You know, when I'm showing something, sometimes people will feel that she's playing. I'm not playing. Anything that I'm showing, you have to be serious with it. Ask me, lovely, what is this for? Why are you doing this? That is how people, they learn. One commenter said, this computer, you know, on our content say, yes, she never come arrange her because we bring her come, never come arrange her. Then the commenter say, okay. That is how it works. Put something in your children's life. Okay, it's called PC. You see it? Do things. You people, you're on social media there and saying somebody when you don't see cloth wear. They catch person when you don't see food chop. They see who not dress come out. They see who they use t-shirt and the dress come out. They see who not get clothes when they don't take the dress come out. At the end of the day, una no get. Una no get. At the end of the day, una no get. I don't know that I cast Facebook yesterday. When people call me yesterday, after I don't do video finish, even they don't dark yesterday. One person call me. I say, I want sleep. He say, wait. You say you know day house today. I say, no, I'm not there. He say, now wow, you don't cast this year again. I say, I cast her. He said, that one day from Facebook. He said, they talk. Where did the woman talk? The woman say, Mama Lovely, say, he said, your pikin at 22 years. Talk. And always they follow you. They talk, say, see when your pikin start to they work. And your pikin, they go school too. I say, yes. He said, your pikin, they receive 4,000 something. You show it. You don't use my content talk and say, no. He said, why should they shout? He said, who should they explain to? He said, abroad, now we day, everybody get children for abroad. He said, Mama, he said, you try. From today, I don't dare your this to be this. I don't come up for your this again. He said, it be Mama when you get children, when they grow, but they never grow rich like my age, my children age. He said, can you imagine? He said, she even confirmed me that I show 4,000 plus. I tell my daughter, if I tell my daughter, when I they talk and a person tell say, Lovely, now lie, you lie. Your daughter know they receive that kind of money. I tell the person, it's okay. I don't love to too much argue. I'm going to ask my daughter if my daughter will give me that privilege to bring the son to come social media. The day I tell my daughter, did you know what she said? She said, Mommy, I know it's a private something. Did you know why I'm giving you this to put on social media? Because you motivate women that have children. Your motivation help a lot. I wish you are doing something that is not helping there. I won't give you this. As I day up yesterday, now I say, okay, wait till I tell you that day. Please, can you bring it? He say, yeah, Mommy. Yeah, I'll bring it. They bring her, come on. I show her. I show it. Me with my children, we they do something one-on-one. One-on-one. I will tell they do something. One-on-one. I will tell they do something. We know they say, I beg. If I change this one bed, the second one tell her, say, next month, I go change your bed. I go change her. Or I go say 3 months, I go change your bed. I go change her. If I change this one, things, I will say, you, the second month, I go change her. I give my children a special love that they will not ever live in their life apart, say, they no use her. That is how to take care of children. It's shocking. Good morning, Mama the mama. Your baby don't break table leg, go. Mama, your baby don't break table leg yesterday. Oh. They say I can't stay. I'm not going to say I can't stay. Oh my God. You know, Mama, oh, You don't they work every day now you carry bag, they go work. Eh? That they pay you 4,000 euro for a month. They will say fabrica work na le bouquet. Okay, more you say fabrica work na le bouquet. And they pay you 4,000 euro. Somebody use his brain. Somebody use his wisdom. Somebody, a little girl that is growing up, he use his brain, he use his wisdom, he put something together. You are preaching backwardness. I can't a bouquet worker. There is not even a bouquet worker in this thing. I can't a bouquet worker in Europe. For 4,000 plus. Are you serious? Money when my pikite they pay tax. Now una they receive for una house. Then stop it. I see. When you bring something, because the one made they use another thing to rubber. The intelligent women, The intelligent women, they know what you are up to. When you do that video, when I waka they come, I can't they look the video, they look and small, they busy. I see where you burst. I show the money. My pikin, My pikin. Now medical doctor, now she be, not be mouth. No worry. I know they talk with, I know they feed too. When time reach, I go see bring that place out. If time reach, I go see bring that place out. Now me be lovely and the zuzu. Go zuzu you money wiki the I'll use and take chase to reach war. And if I chase to reach war, I go pay you there. I'll chase to reach war, run come out. Because if I chase you reach war, run come out, you go attack me. I go chase you ki mwenye. I go carry you and you go see kiki mwenye. I will chase you, pay you for war. Nonsense. Oh my God! I'm not more bogbe. Only me more bogbe or you even. Only me more bogbe. Izuzu come. When Izuzu come, they wish me happy New Year. Now delete that person when you insult. If he give you food chop, you go chop. You know. I Zuzu, I go carry you reach war. You know, see, that they say, one person they say that the roof have 2 million naira. So, this people when they follow you, they're not the current at all. People that is follow you, they are just like the way you are out of current. They not plug you, not plug on yourself. Una station not they work. I love my personal person. Love. Una station not the work for house. So all of una we just there, they una no plugging. You not see your comment section yesterday? See your comment section yesterday. Did you see anything when they write for your comment section? They are telling you, say, this is New Year. This is New Year. This is New Year. You don't tire people. No now what? You have people don't, you don't tire people. Lovely Zuzu call yesterday. Okay, for your mind, this ain't a blood they play. Now be you use me take one hit your ex-friend that day say, come go see your colleague. Your colleague, it be king. Now 800 something shoe. Now it be they wear. You know, go see your colleague. Wait, they where you for come out that day. You know, use until they laugh your friend. When you yourself get the same age for the same age when that one day for when I don't want put I don't put on more. I know they build. Come let down and come see small children of 18 years, 19 years. They get their not they pull red hair. Did they draw attention? Did they draw attention? You know, feel ignorant. Me when you get Facebook, I feel ignorant. You know? Come Europe, come Holland, yes, small children. From 17 years, they build their career. They go. 18 years, they don't already receive bosa money. The day when I do live video that day, you don't see one guy when he call in. Now Holland here, now the guy for call in. He said, person, yeah, they say 4,000 euro. Now you dey sharp. He say one of his friend pikin they receive money. Say man stay here. All those Obalede pada, Obalede makeup, Obalede eyelashes, Obalede this, Obalede this. Go, you senior girls when be say they are into that business. The whole is space in that business. You people don't know what you don't know. On Facebook now, know. You all carry phone on. If somebody don't enter live video, don't give you a last say person enter video. When I don't enter there, when I don't comment. And the live video presenter, oh walk, so now me the chest you know fit chest me. Now you don't know me. You go ask people from where you know me for IT. Now me the chest Are you serious? What do you expect? Oh no, now again I they use. Oh no low, no gwe or low, and they no low or gwe. You know, I'm here to motivate our people that have children. When they watch your video yesterday, now they have already seen that you are devastated. You say, "Don't say can't be this woman when still cast you again." You say, "Oh, she's devastated. What goes on? What happened?" Okay. My sister live for. We swear for her that day now. Who person swear for that person they talk to? Who you swear for? If they give you, if he give you food chop, you go eat. If you read there, you see say they cook for there. You not go waka come on for there. That's where they go. Say they come now because who you swear for there. You know what may use you have to touch food when you want eat. If it dey man, if it dey woman, now so. I'm a lovely that they go your village. Any message to your village people. So you know they fear my village people. Lily love. Anegbe, you there Naija? I bet show us where you dey, oh. Show us where you dey. But we see your bunk. Show us where you dey, oh. Person tell me say he see you. He see you for your bunk. You know, say that's not small alone. Now, where my time they won't be. So when I say message, go give my village people. When you they come on for Italy, you get my number. You not come and say, Mama lovely, oh, I beg. You there, you go say something, go give your village people. You not ask me. Now you can't reach Nigeria now. Now you can't ask me, say whether I was go send message, go give my village people. Okay, how I can take how now? How I can take do? As they go that day, now you for tell me if now see small DC, I for see send now can't give you, post I can't give you. I bet if you reach my village, reach Joshua. Now my village be this. Anybody when you see for Joshua, I bet just share this something for her. Now one of our sister went there abroad though. Now she say make I can't share this one for now. Make you not take okay. If you share her for the finish, you put her for essay. See I'm barrister. I don't share them for you. I don't share them for your people. You don't reach Nigeria. And now they ask me, say, whether I get message when you want to go give my village people. This woman, she get mouth. She have mouth. Ha! Lily. You was afraid they talk for them. You think say no they talk. If Lily, if he throw away bad mouth for you, you yourself go say, you got the talk, or you say you know the talk. No, I don't get message when you will go. You don't ask me for abroad. Now Nigeria, you can't ask me whether I get message where you want to go give my village people. But welcome, my darling. If you dey come, may you carry a goosey con. May you post a con for me. Say, I don't come, oh lovely, oh, bring this to make I give you a goosey. I will say, now here you dey. Now for some money for you, may you tell me buy something con. If not here you dey. I will give you money. I'll give you like 100,000. Maybe tell me that a goosey, ogbolo, crayfish. Yeah, so we keep on for us. Maybe that one will still last me for a year. Now so my people. Then now, she they use my daughter, progress. They use until they do live video. My dear, can't use your own child, computer now my own child. Now me put for there as the progress. The girl don't progress when she don't reach 22 years. From your age, from the age when your firstborn day so, my daughter don't already do this company small. You yourself know now. You yourself know. Always say the people when you dey feel say you dey talk to, the people that be village people. They don't want to live. Oh, my people are they come. My people. Can't see now you there. You got some. Okay. Can't you don't that there? You know? Children don't know. Children don't they do something. My second daughter, when I see her you both friend, now the same place now that they work. Before tomorrow now, that one they don't build something together. You know, because they say lovely. I bet found that talk. Don't worry. One day I will carry my pikin come away for the hospital. Now that time now your eye go clear. That time your eye go clear. I will know how you want to how you will still explain to your village people. You know? That is it. It's not painful. I am just showing it to get you noted. You see, I'm just doing it to get you noted. That is why I am doing it. I am not doing it to hurt you. I didn't do it to hurt you. I do it to put something in your brain. Since you feel say, now I do that video for. When I show that money, I'm not doing it for you. I didn't do that video for you. That content is not built. I didn't do that content for you. I didn't say that, oh, you come here, I'm doing this content for you. No, I do this content for the people that is very curious, those curiosity. Those are the people I do this content for, not you. Because I think this content started inside last year. People said, oh, now wow, do they lie? Oh, now so now they lie. I said, no, I can never lie. There is no way I will lie. What I possess, that is what I give to people. When I don't do anything, I don't come up and I don't shout. Then I tell them that don't worry, one day, if my daughter give me that privilege, I'm going to show it to the people that want to know what I am doing. Then I bring it up yesterday. I didn't do it for you. The one that I do for you, you didn't analyze it. Why did you analyze it? There is something that you said. You said that, so I don't even know, say you did do something before. I'm not an hypocrite. If you are an hypocrite is a liar. I'm not an hypocrite. An hypocrite is a liar. When you have something in your own self, instead of you to treat it, no, you are not going to treat it. You are treating other people problem, other people issue. That is where you become a liar. When you treat people issue, your something there your body, Your whole thing when they your body, you don't talk about it. You talk about other people. That is, you are a bloody liar. First, start for yourself first. Remove that thing for your eye before you start to remove for somebody's eye. That video that picks you up. You jump out like a kangaroo. I didn't do that video for you. That was not your content. I done with you the second live video that I did. That was the live video. I show my Dora. If you don't know at this moment, no dolly. Very dark guys say no dolly. You will get it noted. You will get it noted. Do not doll. Do you understand? You know? Then I never do that video for you. The one that I do for you, you jump over it because you know that I give you a point there. This is not who we know. This is not the person we know. Years ago, can't reach this time. Years ago, there is some people, they manage. God lifted them up. By this time, they will be telling people, wow, years ago, I was not having documents. Things was not moving well for me. But God in heaven blessed me. All those things, I get it. I'm on top today. You know? That is how people talk. But in 2024, you are now preaching a poverty, stinking talk coming out from your mouth, telling people that you have to manage this, you have to manage this. Are you serious? When people, they bring things, they come. See your friend. As I wake up this morning, now I see one video. Because you know, say yesterday I sleep live video. Now I see one video when you do. Now bag. Don't carry bag. Don't carry business console. You don't start another business this year. You never see the bag. Maybe you can't take the do saga. You never see the bag. Eh? I'm not going to fight you. I'm not fighting you. I don't have any problem with you. I'm an analyzer. Whatever you needed, if you want it, I'm going to analyze you. That was not my business. Now, so I did to do my things, you know. The first video, that video, it was yours. The second video, it was not yours. The second video is for the commenters. Even the commenters say, wow. This woman, she said you dey lie. This woman, she said, you know, I look my comment yesterday. You don't see congratulations yesterday. You telling us that if we are doing it, we don't show it, nobody see it. Later, you people will be bringing it in one by one. Now, so marketing are the dark barry, marketing are what? Market the dark barry, market. It you know, people, you see when a rabbit constructs a home, how did rabbit do it? You go dig sand for his eye hole, dig. You go come the pack and come out. Talk. You go see enter his eye hole again. You go see dig. You go pack and come out. You go see enter his eye hole again. Until when you go come do and finish, people when they pass and no go no say na rabbit na dey there. Maybe they don't feel say maybe na something there's a lot of proof for there. When the rabbit don't do and finish, maybe then when they walk out, they come, they'll say, see rabbit hole. Not be here with the pass it all these days. Why rabbit hole not there like that? Now be the escape route. Now escape route, Now we for come the show now something. We are intelligent. Escape route. You guys, you don't have anything. You come here on social media to come and shout. Look at what you. There is a part that I love that is just say, Mama, come and analyze the video. There is a part that you said that you are eating McDonald's. My girl, if I should give you 100 pounds, I will pay for McDonald's for you. I say, go chop McDonald's for 1 week. You go to vomit. McDonald's that you eat once in a while. Now you go to the brag for you. McDonald's you eat once in a while. You bragging. Me, I can't eat McDonald's 2 times in a year. Because it's not my food. Sometimes when I eat McDonald's, you see they do some people. Sometimes when I eat McDonald's, I want to throw up. You see some people now, they'll say they know they eat McDonald's. They want to throw up. If you say you they chop McDonald's, I go pay McDonald's for you. If me I not they boast. If you say you they chop McDonald's, I go pay McDonald's for you 1 week. How much? 80 50 cents. Now they come the zuzu for you. €8 something. Now be McDonald's. They say you don't chop McDonald's money when you don't chop. How much you don't take each? How much you don't chop for McDonald's? Bring the receipt, come out. Bring the receipt of McDonald's, come out when you don't chop. Why McDonald's never give you? Now your this thing you take the pin. They use your card take the pin. When you buy McDonald's every day, you become customer to McDonald's, they will give you gift. You don't know that some people when they buy fast food, they will say us every day now this fast food every day now this fast food they give a gift. You get McDonald's gift. Come here because say your ex-friend they say you they eat McDonald's and you can't come here because they say you they eat McDonald's. Your ex-friend just they talk and not be say you they chop her. How many go to go feel leak for bag of salt? How many? Eka. Eka that's about no work booming. I don't understand. Because Monica they tell say they eat McDonald's. You go know where you McDonald's before. Now you they talk. Can you use 20,000 pounds to eat McDonald's? With 1,000 pounds. Now this thing be. Okay, your mate when they this thing. The day we are doing and this thing, yeah, we are doing the currency. How it high for Nigeria. Somebody that live there in the country where you live, she write it on my comment. She said 1,000 pounds is 1,470,000 naira. Yes. But see when you carry 1,000 pounds go Nigeria now. If you add another one journal, another 1,000 pounds journal, you go see land buy. Go see land buy. Now come they tell us failure. The carton when they chop McDonald's pack and come out. You'll see some people when they have used to something. Carton when they bring the fast food, they put them for somewhere, put them for somewhere, put them for somewhere. One day the person go put the DC, go put them for air. Then the company go come say, you have been our customer for years. We that have McDonald's company, we don't have McDonald's carton like that, like this. With the receipts, they go give them. You not see one woman when that is when they take the drink. Wait till they call that cup when they take the drink. When some people they miss and all those slimy this thing leaf with lime, put water inside. You not see the woman when he buy her. When the motor catch fire, the cup not burn. What did the company do? They compensate that woman. They said they have never done this before. But we see our cup in your car. He helped the company sell that market. They said, we're going to give you new car. Now they can't tell, oh, they tell say they eat McDonald's. You they eat McDonald's. You know how they say they eat McDonald's. Evil people when they know they cook food, when they eat fat food, they tell you say that they go eat McDonald's. So even they could have me one content say you they use 1,000 euro to eat McDonald's, but bring the receipt come out. We don't when you are talking, now we need the proof. We are dealing with proof. We don't deal with ordinary man. You buy McDonald's once in a week. You they come the zuzu from where we they say you they chop McDonald's. Because say your ex-friend, they Adam John talk, they talk. Your ex-friend just they put on for talk, they talk. Or just you know about tata, or just yata. Your ex-friend put on for word, just talk. It not me say you they true chop McDonald's. I am yare by Mirelu. Emi are botareta. You live here. Why you there here? Nobody they thought you sit there here. They don't ever go and they not train you for us. You know, coming out they say they chop McDonald's money wait they chop McDonald's. I beg, bring the McDonald's out. Money when you try to chop McDonald's, we just have to do something. We bring the something out. The McDonald's when you chop, bring it out. Who they buy things now, buy. Now they'll see where they buy and put. They say because your friend they add and Joe matter talk say she get money, she use and eat Madonna. You go tell your son say you go tell your ex-friend say let that lad give you 20,000 euro. Your friend for ask you say you get accident when let that lad for give you 20,000 euro. Not be lie, you lie. You use and take up yourself for where your friend did now. You know say when two people will be say they love to talk jam. This one would they express itself in another expression way. Another one will see they express itself in another expression way for your mind. Where you foresee 20,000 euro, what do you do? You get accident when they pay insurance pay. Do you get accident when they pay you 20,000 euro in Netherlands? Can you bring the bank? They push that money into the something they pay you 2014, 15, 16, 10. You go still day your card. Bring a comment. When you just tap 2010 or 2009, now they take give you. If you just tap your this thing, the money, your balance when you use for that year, it go just show. Your balance when you use for that, who they put this thing for there? You want to make I swear for you? Now, person when I swear for 9, you they follow, they do this thing. You want me I swear for you? Don't let me swear for you. Now I make you take the carry cost for another person. You know don't say I don't swear for the person. I don't swear for her. Now make me know mine now. You know? Don't come here, come they tell us cookaboo story. Bring it. Bring that way. Now me, I they tell you now. When they can't go tell your ex-friend come they use and they say, why you 20,000 euro yari Madonna. Si they can't come they zuzu. When your mate get 20,000 euro, you have view or tia Nigerian have view like Weibo. They can't come they zuzu. You know they shame. Person when 20,000, when you see 20,000 for government hand now, so in life they be. Person when you see 20,000 for government hand, say for example now. Let that one who put to 20,000 for my account. Say yes, we use and give you maybe so something like this. Wait, I will use that take brick come and people say wow. They say you use 20,000. You use 20,000. The 20,000 euro take eat McDonald's for 1 year. Are you kidding? McDonald's when they sell McDonald's for 1 month. How many? I beg you, may you ask your friend. You put them for talk. Or toro butter ta. Or yeah, doing well. Or yeah, people say or yeah, buy more or yeah, you wear it. Hey, lovely dog gets her. Or yeah, you wear it. Not be say you the possessor. You know the possessor. This area be your friend. When that will carry house, come you can't turn the house upside down like this. Can they show us the root of the house? Instead of you to show the roofing, you would turn her upside down. They show the root. We know everything. You when they tell say there is another one you said again. You know, I'm an analyzer. I they debunk this thing. There is another one you say again. You say I they live for government house. Oh my God. A hand of applause. You say I they live for government house. A hand of applause. I can remember now. You said now you are paying house rent. Oh my God. Why be say waiting we don't work up pass now you they do one. Waiting we work up pass now you they do one. We don't pay house rents. We don't pay house rents. As old school people when they follow you. Before the world can change, can't say, oh, if you cannot be able to work, or you have children, or you have this, or you have problem, a government go they help you. Even you dey country, you not get what they do now. This moment, government they help if you get a problem. Then we they pay house rent. We rent house, they pay house rent. Then that time you they take social money. Now, I know this social house. This is my house. Now, Now, what do you talk? You say you they pay house rent for where? You they pay house rent for London. Now, council house, now you there for London now. If you rent that house, do you know what you will do for us? Please, can you do bring the paper when you take rent the house, come out. As you they tell your friends, say, may bring the paper when you take buy your house. Bring the one when you take do your own. Put on for Facebook. Not they carry fight, they come. We get fight for us. Not they carry fight, they come like this. They say, see, you see this paper? You see this paper? And my contract of house. Are you serious? All those things when you they do now. Eh? All right. Me, if I want to release bomb, but they prepare it down. My bomb is the zuzu, my love. I don't know they talk. Because I get brain. You know? Then, you they come tell us, say, you they pay house rent. Now you they pay house rent after many years for Europe. Is it now you are paying house rent? When your mate, they are buying house. Your mate are buying house. Government, they help your mate, they pay their house rent woto. Now you they pay house rent, you they tell. Say you are managing. I bet they manage, we know they manage again. We know they manage again, I bet they manage. Be they manage, I beg. Shall we no cannot win this song? We know they manage again. Now God forbid. That is it though. Then now you they say me a day here. Government they give me money woto. Before where you for the count, they don't give you money woto. They give you money woto now. The property when you take the leave for where you did now. Now let down land I give a beg carry our property can't give us. So since you leave let down why you carry our property? Bring our property for us. So go. Bring our property for us. Bring let down property for us. If you not get what you want use and do, go set it on blaze because you not go let us use again because she don't wind out. Chair when they go sit down, put if they get up their waist, go they pay them. Now the chair they pay now for waist when you tell them say for step case. Where can learn now? You know me. Eh? Happy New Year. We don't use New Year. We don't enter saga. Oh. How you dey? Stella. How you dey? You know, they say I break table leg yesterday. Oh, Stella, but if you see the table leg, let me pack on. Nail again. Stand down. Whether you go feel stand down. So that the person, when I break, come off for the table, may you go climb that table again. Make I break on the second time. Do you understand? Help me to do that. Now the job when you help me do be that. I don't say you may say, not got a preach Simon for us. Your talk not they make sense. Did you look the way you devastated yesterday? You were third. You know? Go and ask that English. You were third. Hey, lovely way both lovely way all we make up. Lovely do make up. Lovely way both I break her. She was done fainted. He come down. I don't die. Not gonna hear what again. Only where mama. So you don't use saga enter New Year. I say, since we don't enter New Year, we not die. Make they fight, they go. Let us be fighting. Una help. You know? Then now. You they tell us that you they pay house rent. Now that they pay house rent, people they pay house rent for where you did. They know they talk. Oh. Person they pay house rent for where you did. Know they talk. If you enter the person house, the house now one in town. I go give her woto. Now I think I will take the analyzer. Me, I will use a video to analyze her. I never ready come and come stay for Facebook show my face. Now if he say. She dey talk. I dey wait for her. And I go to use a video to the analyzer. And not be analyzer, they analyze. I they analyze. Yeah. She say my roofing. You see my roofing. Now bad no. You know how much go for that roofing? Eh? You know how much go for that roofing? That small carton when you dey ride they go. Eh? My roofing go buy that carton when they ride they go ×2. That carton when they ride, they go boom. At the right car, at the right. Oh, my carton, ma. That is carton. They don't say if you do Facebook, they look. They say she won't talk, my darling. She say If they do something, will they bring us small? Will they bring her come out small? We know they can't show her. We know they can't show her. No! I will show us who they talk and you for your mind, you say now noise that they make. For your mind, you be say now noise that they make. Go and ask people that know me. They'll say lovely. You never know lovely. If lovely want chest something, now so they do ambo. Now you go see some my friend go say, Sia, or tell me, if you reach where you see something where you like, buy for me. Wait till you like. I like her. You know. You will say, wait till you like. I like her. You want to call you where be this thing. Do you know what this life is good to be good? Do you know why she's frustrated? Like they worry amo. If she come for me, I'll come open her nyash. The woman will carry and come. I know the woman. He dey mad. He dey not juju. As they say, make they not pay gbese again. Because they follow new school, they happy. Old school when not pay gbese. Asan. You go come Facebook, come they tell say, he not do road, he not do road. Come meet me, okay, I open your nyash finish. Be very careful. I don't want to saga you. Be very careful. I mean, may I describe your this thing? May I describe one? Need describer? May I describe her? May the day na wish go see her. I don't want may I describe the woman. Because the day na wish they tell say, I don't pay move very label. I don't pay move very label. Wish the day na wish no know on rupe more. Me, I know the woman. I know her. I know her well. When person when course follow. Now course follow. When old school, when new school, when it come, when judgment favor the new school when it come, she when be old school. She can't be happy. Say the judgment favor her. No, when somebody right say she's coming back to me again. I will because I keep quiet. I know why I keep quiet. I don't have anything with her. Did you know what? She's a kind of person that feel that she know how to bully. Everybody have word on his own, his or her own. When I was doing analyzation, you were there. Were you not there, Ojuku? I was doing analyzation. I didn't do it for your favor. That is my job. Even when Aproko the Godfather called that time, with Aproko the Godfather, we fight put. I tell Aproko the Godfather say, no. You don't come now. You don't collect my this thing. I tell her say you don't come now. You they tell say who should they talk to? No right time, no right time. And not right time. Somebody they ask you, no right time. No right who are they talk to. You don't see somebody for there, they listen. If you get idea, you go know who are they talk to. Were you not there? I they do analyzation. If the second one now Zuzu carry something come, I say Monica, wait till you carry come like this again. See, even when Monica do video when she wear a pikin ounce cloth, I tell Monica say, why Jebo no go wrong? Now he be now boy when they born for Europe, he don't like waiting you wear, and I made the boy the wrong pattern. Because when I was doing it was so funny. The mama will say, you don't see the wrong again. I said, the boy don't need down. Because the boy no, he don't like that dress. I don't understand. Just my boy now. If you tell him, say you want so native for him, you say, Mommy, I don't have anything to do with native. You know? You know, that is it. Then, when I was doing that live, I did on my own. People now you don't know me. I want you when first they fight me that I want you come they fight. With the top for matter, I will take top. Who is this? How? But you insult her. How they insult her? When I thought say what is going on with her, now they insult her. I never insulted her. Wherefore insult her, go and bring it. What I told her, I told her that This is your content you have been doing for a while, for a years. Why now you are turning the content upside down? What's going on? Is something wrong somewhere? Or it's like it's a failure? You know, even yourself, you go ask your sister. Your sister, if they call your ass every time. Your sister, if they call, you go pack something come. Now motor, now you go come drop your sister. Everybody will say, sister. If time reach your sister, they use nylon bag, they come enter house, you not talk. You see, say this is not your sister, you know. What are you going to say? Sister, what's who know? Now down for be this one. You must ask your sister, say, I down for now. When man say, you not just bring anything at all. Is this sign of downfall? That was that insult? It was not insult. That is a way to talk to somebody when you know, say, yes. I should take it as insult. No, so do you know the kind of problem you people have? Roots, Sunday, you just write this comment. I'm going to explain to you. I'm not angry with anybody. I cannot be angry with you because of your comment. But I'm going to let you to know that sometimes when you see the truth, you say it. She just, for a while, they attack me. And they analyze. Me, she do and will do her back now. Always say if I do and people come to tell say, but you say you they analyze now. But the saga not go be direct. We go they miss her. You will miss her. You cook concoction pepper soup. You know. Then if I they block that one, the one where that one they do, I block her. I tell that one say, I bet if you they do live video, may I for the blog your blogging. Now they let caller they call put again. If you don't talk finish, your caller wants to the call put the call put, then I'll see your blog the blog. Now she said that one, oh, she will first do video finish oh, before caller call the call put. Oh, now I call they carry that one video. When she doesn't say I don't they carry that one video, she was using direct way on me. I don't dare your side. I don't dare anybody's side. I be live video and they blog. And they analyze. That is me for you. Before you know, if I do live video, she'll go and attack me. If I do live video, are you not there, Ruth? If you are watching her, say the truth and let the truth set you free. If I do live video, she go use and attack me. If I do another video, she'll use and attack me. The video when she try to attack me, when that they do, who find pass? They say between her and her husband with the second one, her husband, who find pass, who they go war pass. I think now I don't know who they go war pass. No, not be a decision. You right. You are wrong. That's the same thing she's preaching online. Now is her turn. Why is it her business? That was the same thing she was doing to people. Now is her turn. Why are you saying that now? That one not her choice, not her choice. That choice can never be her choice. If you said it's her choice, it can never be her choice. I don't want her parlor to be like that. You feel that I hate her. I don't hate her. Why her parlor be like that? No, we don't take it. I be an analyzer. Yes. I was only doing the advice. Then she attacked me, say yes, that they do show, me they do this one, and they sort color. Not to say color when I saw, she they say, Ishan. Now I tell color, say, you they Chris. The way when the color take is salt, now so the color still take, now so I take salt the color. I say you they Chris. Wait concern Ishan, concern wait till now they do. That is what, now that one I talk. She can and she go use and take do live video. She was the one looking for my trouble, but I be an analyzer. But I never talked to her. She do that thing 4 times. The other day she was on live video. She said today she won't mention my name, Lovely Kyoya. She won't mention my name. Make her day. If I mention my name, I go they happy. See your grand now. Wait till they happy. Wait till you get to a person you say you can't mention my name. You can't they happy. You be see what savage. Yeah? Even if he was savage, you even mention my name. I don't come to say I will this he was savage. Me with them be friend. Are you see what savage? we are talking of the lady now in town when we say yes for Nigeria, you be see what savage. Eh? That is how Ruta they tell you now. She mentioned my name, but I never insulted her. When I was doing an analysis, why I insulted her? The video that Monica do, when Monica was saying, you know, bring person, you bring person. Now I tell you, say, two of them are not the same. But the second one no come they insult me. Because that one no say, you go say, lovely, now analyze, now lovely, they analyze. She always feel that she can talk. The people when they follow talk, they be relevant. See your platform yesterday. You are even fighting. I was laughing. Your live video was so funny that I laugh. Yeah, that is how it go. Root. You yourself don't date this Facebook. Even if you say you know they quick come all the time. I'm not that kind of person when I want to use matter serious. They analyze. The day when the one when they London, the one when they Germany, with the one when they Spain, when the one when they Spain, they give the one when they Germany woto. I tell people, say, if the one when they Germany come, this matter, I not go see and settle again. True, the one when they Germany come, I not go see matter again. Matter off like that. Is it not what I say? Were you not here, Ojuku? You were here, love. Were you not here? I say if the one when they Germany come out now, this saga no go last. Because that one will call me by the analyzation. And this woman when they Germany come, it took by the analyzation when they analyze. No, that saga now is stop. I don't see wait to analyze again. Yes. That is it. She attacked me 4 times. But I just say, let me just forget because this is what I'm doing. If I the saga and I go be like say yes. Then she came out with a house. And I'm still there analyzing person that is analyzed. I said, no, your sitting room don't supposed to be like this. I'm a fucking analyzer. I said, if your room don't supposed to be fucking looking like this. Now see analyzer, now I carry a good here. If not some live video present, they'll say, lovely, I know if this matter don't reach your hand again, I go repair them. I'll say, go repair them. I give you some more. So if they come, carry this sitting room, come out to woto. No. You ask people to do something, then you that is preaching it, you are not doing it. That means you will end up wallow in sticky poverty place. Yes. That is how you work. When somebody came to your platform yesterday, I see this, you don't already come out because yesterday I do live video throughout yesterday. I just trying to fight I be water. I know they tire. The commenter said to roof house now 2 million. Then that commenter, I'm putting it to you at this moment. You now get idea of how to build house. If you have idea how to build house, you go know say you never for only wood alone. Only wood. This wood when I show you alone. Only this wood alone. It passed that 2 million when you they talk. The cover never cover Rambo. Did you see? This is why I motivate them. Because that one are not build house. You don't know how house. They take the build house. She said now 2 million. For your mind. Only this year, only this wood they low. Only this wood they low when you they talk. 3 million don't stand. Only this wood they low. His sister never sit down top. They never wear a cloth. Because you're going to talk. You not see this? What it is? It is another one where they carry that kind. They boy. Then the second one, come arrange that tallest zik put. I want it to say, it might be this one. You see, this is a draft. It's a draft. I think draft. I'm right. This is a draft roof. This is a skeleton of roof. Now I can't give you. So do you know how much it costs? You know how much it costs? They can't say how much they take the roof house 2 million. Are you serious? That means say You no bust. That commenter no bust. That commenter no they do anything. That commenter they sleep. That commenter they sleep. At now self, that toilet zik, if you say you want to use and take zik house now, that toilet zik. If you read that go price the wood, price is toilet zik, they will tell you say 2 million. They say it toilet zik, therefore there. They say no, these people they not connect, they not plug them. Our plug, they are not plug. Now who they plug now? Now no one will plug now. Who sent something for me? Wait. You are not connect. Look at your commenter now. Now in the top say a roofing now 2 million. What it be 2 million? What is 2 million? Who told you? Okay, you see the comments. You not laugh. 2 million for roofing. Where? 2 million naira. You the zuzu. If you first go buy wood first. Now different wood. Now they will talk say this one, see where you go put on. This one, see where you go put on. Different wood. They'll call the measurement. The one when you pay cash 2.5. That one not it never reach anywhere. If they draft and they go see say it no reach. They will call you say it no reach. They'll see go buy journal. They go bring the calculation for you. They say roofing at 2 million naira. This is the kind of people that want to remain backward. They want to remain backward. People when you want put this thing, people when you want put the the roofing. Not be person when he need this thing. Not be the same money when the person do this wood. Not be that same person they can't put this thing where. Now different money. Person when he need this thing, with person when he can't put this thing where, now different money. The people when do this one now, the woody alone that can take almost this thing 270. Only the wood alone to put out to arrange out. You see it pass safe. It pass. Just to put the wood, it pass because you will bring that one. Who say never do? Who say not John the wood money? Nay, not just the wood money. Did you know how many nay they waste for you? Go and price carton of nay. You are welcome, my Juliet. Yes, no, but they say that they rob for this thing. Now small shackling place now show. Now that they zuzu for Facebook. If I can't open now, they say, hey, now wow. Then if you can't go company, if you can't go company. As they don't do a finish, they go spray. If they want spray and money, they'll take spray. One can see spray and money go take spray. You see, if not too flat, now you get the up one, they go separate. What did they want to separate? Now wood. Wood when they'll take separate, you know this wood so that one are different wood. It be like plank. You go separate so that if thief enter the second apartment, you no go fit enter your own apartment. Happy New Year, my darling. Let me explain to you that this is motivational. If people they try to do their own and they'll say, may I go listen to Lovely. When I sit down for there, they criticize person when it personal. Then you go that wood when you take separate. So that another if thief enter the second apartment, you no go fit climb up for that second apartment, enter your own. If thief enter another apartment now, say you want call the second apartment, what it go happen? You no go fit enter because they don't already seal her. That one na money. You are talking about Only wood they low to arrange wood they low. We are talking about 3 point something. You Zik never even day. You they say now 2 million naira. Now only wood that they tell you now the calculation. Now they tell you now. The people when you want to do it from the factory, you know if you go buy expensive this thing to cover am, you go carry street capital come they can do it. People when they do this thing, people when they do this thing, they know am. No, I go carry capital come when they go, they want for you, they want for them. If you breeze, they breeze, you go, they do the iron, you pako. Come, let me motivate you. Now, the company people, they put the... Yes! Now they put on my love. No, men sit down for that, they say 2 million. That means that this one don't even know how they take the build house. They mad. Huh? The company go come, they'll come insurance. The company come insurance finish. They will tell you, say, see when they go bring her. And they will ask you, say, you get who want to do, and you say no. Make them when they want to do, when they wear when just they do, make the specialists, make they come do. Did you know how much? It is 100 now 159 the specialists they come. It is a specialist. It is if they want put this, it is na 200,000. When I said there, una don't know anything. We they talk people won't know now that they write comment for yes so. See now see the way when you see the way they take una see the way they take neat like basket. You see if you read there this wood with other wood they different. It is a 2 million. What it be 2 million? What it be 2 million? Only for you to even put pumper, put pumper for one side of house. You know how much it be? If they come they talk. You never even talk of door. If they say this, you never even talk of door. Commenter, you went write that this thing. I bet my person, go they follow essay property land. Go they follow one. If you reach there, wait till they talk. You go know say I know they lie. They say that they talk. Now to more I don't get mad for Facebook. Now they know. Now so now take get mad now. When time go come now, the person when they want they follow, una go gog the way when take gog. Now like this, he take get mad that and I gog wanna come meet him for that place so. Because that nonsense when they talk, I know if he follow na take him because why? I'm not dead there. Thank you for the love. I'm not there. They did say now mad 2 million now they take the roof house. I says look at this one. Only the wood they low. The wood they low when you go even pay 2 million and put is not complete. You know if it complete the house. Doesn't make the fair go use them. Quand you come the Zuzu. The second one, you say, Hollandis. Hollandis one that they said 25 euros. I say, look at you. I bust the head. If my, you know, write comment again. He pause. I'll pause your brain. Me? I know how to work with people's brain. I will pause your brain. He pause. Now I say, okay, the one when you they go they buy for street market, 25 euro, 15 euro, 10 euro. Now that one you they call on Hollandis. You people should wake up. The other day I did a video that these people don't know. They abuse European currency. They abuse Nigeria currency. When you say people say, why you talking like this? Yes, I know them. There is a video that I did for her yesterday. Say no. Now you change, please. Why did you change? You left that video. Now as you come to analyze. Come here and analyze the house for you. Hey, this is whether now boga money be this one. Now boga money. This is now boga money. Nonsense. I beg you. Say bad poor. I do video for her when you want to analyze. When you go for change, say, now true talk, oh. When you go change city room, you they talk of money when small pikin they receive salary. Now you advise, pass you they advise why you be like this. Now you they advise, pass people when they advise, all of them they run pass you. They go bring something come, your face go red, your cheeks go come red where you can't swallow, be like something when they blow, because why? You want to burst because this person carry something come to zuzuju. A child, my personal person Ojuku, a child, 22 years, if they receive 4,000 plus, my person now fabric she they work. That is her own business. Business when he built by herself. And that will not be her occupation. If I do video where they talk, I'll say that is not her occupation. Her occupation na medical doctor. Might be her occupation. The day when I will come show her now, I will come show her. I will bring the picture, come show you. You yourself will come to say, so this woman, now wow, no worry, anything when they tell you, they carry out my person not be hamburger money. Where must be hamburger? He says, and she they chop hamburger. Now your friend, now they use hamburger till they put for what talk. If I say make I buy hamburger for you for 1 week, you go they vomit. You go eat hamburger through 1 week. I beg you, see about when they will buy chips, they know they buy the burger journal. When I don't see her say she they eat hamburger, not be so chips she they chop. So chips. Now she they chop. Fried chips, fried. Me hamburger when hamburger when yana we back here. I never see say they bite hamburger. It's not that they say they eat hamburger. I go say I know they see her. She they show hamburger paper. When they buy chips, now chips now they see. I know they see you see the bread. I see you see the bread. Now the cheese are they see say you they put for mouth. You know no. You they chew as go to the chew cassava back. Now that one is see, just respect yourself, just respect yourself. If not, I will come sit down. Make. You making makeup. You can make makeup. I don't want you. I want you. You know they analyze specific video. The other day, that MC Calabar BS Okoro. You not tell us say me carry pikin come out. Not be waiting. You tell me years back. Say lovely. Now 4 children she get. Make you not tell her say the 4th one make she come carry her. Make she come show us so. Now say now go bring the picture. Say see her. Now Karen be this one. Titi now my first daughter. Now be this one. The time when she's small. Now be this one. Not be other picking. Now 3 children now get. She used that lie, come make people they fight. Hey, that lovely. Why should they bring 3 children come? She got that people come to say, now you won't tell me lovely. Now 3 children lovely get now. Yes, in Bakala. They say they chop hamburger. Say, now me, you want to call this hamburger buga for. Okay, they chop hamburger. Don't use roofie buga for you. Nah, they buy now. She go back for you guys and say, I'm eating your burger. You don't see chicken no God for your hand. That chicken when they fry. When they fry like akara. You don't see it for your hand. For where? Show us the bread and show us the meat when they inside. Are you serious? Mommy, you won't call the zuzu with all those things when you know they process. You don't process anything. Now, map now you dey enter house. Now 4,000. Come on, 4,000 euro. Now you enter your eyes so. 4,000 euro. When we say this month, they go even pay my pikin that money. She know they touch her. And you know they touch her. Money they meet money. I already don't know bagba. Now all the time, I they tire. Stop all those low life. This thing when you carry come they use until they preach to people. Low life, what do you call it? Motivational. That's low life motivational. How can you preach low life motivational? I break my house comments everywhere scatter. You see your statement? Why you not bring a comment? If you want to congratulate me, congratulate you. Why they bring a come small? Now so before you call, no worry. You know when you go see her fully. I will use chest it down. So that you go know say yes. They say they show you know how much. So your follower they deceive you for that say Now 2 million naira na it be. Now they take the roof house. You never ready. Now back una still day. Una not go fit chest me. Thank you for the love. So ridiculous. How can you be a motivational speaker? You speak into people's issue. Then it comes to your own table. You are telling us to sweep it under the carpet. Does it work that way? Thank you, my love, Juliet. TV, you dey do life. Oh, the money data. Oh. My personal person, oh. My daughter there here. She don't pay house rent. She don't pay house rent. I don't understand. If they here, I say, I'm going to build it up. Carry my brain with your own together. We go use them. When you are done with your school, everything is done. My daughter say, yes, mommy. If I'm leaving this house, I'm getting my own apartment. You go buy your house. My daughter, they dream of villa for abroad. Not the apartment, villa. Now my daughter, they think villa. They think of nyama nyama. Say, mommy, I'm going to buy a very big house. Say, yeah, you can do it. Don't they plan? Did you discuss that with your children? No. You don't discuss that with your children. I discuss a lot. You know, they see my children. Once my son don't come for football, the next thing they put a cloth for washing machine. I know say the third day, if they go again. Stay for here, they nya. My pikin, they come out for here now. They come out for let down and they go countries. Another country go they play football. The day when I go carry that one come out now, you go run to Bataya. You go run to Bataya. Stop pointing on people's children. Thank you, my love. Don't use children. No, they use children. Till they support your saga. When you are shouting yesterday now, a lot of people will come to your platform. They will ask you, that lady you are talking about, how old is her child? You'll say 22 years old. Then they will ask you, wow, how did she do it to that stage? 22 years old? When my own is inside here begging me money? Did you know it happened? Since when my daughter they work, my daughter, he never begged me money one day. He never said, mommy, give me money. If he dare say, mommy, how you do it? I say, I'm fine. Do you need something? I'll say, but now I don't need anything. Say, okay, if you need, let me know. Before you go, no, sir. You don't put money. Can we say now you be this picky mama? As they say you the chop McDonald's, they go. The card will give me hoe. You for don't use a take chop McDonald's finish. You for don't use a take chop McDonald's finish. That time now I'll come 5 and I'll come reach police station. The police will say, what is going on? The picky will say, my mommy, the money I put in her, yeah, this thing, my mommy, she have used the money to eat McDonald's. Hey, I beg, enter us. You know, because they tell us story. You cannot advise me. Are you want to advise me? Why not they jolly keke? Did you see the depression place when you they live? The one that they say, show my kitchen, show my kitchen. I stayed in my kitchen yesterday. Did you see how my kitchen is warm and presentable? You are living in a depression place. That house you are living, I cannot live in that house. I not go survive, Ambo. I won't survive it. Be careful, eh? Enough is enough. Do you think that time you came, you were doing a Miami thing, I left you? Do you think I just left you to go like that? I keep you in one corner. Be warned, eh? You know, say that time, you know, not be your ex-friend. Now they follow you, now they help you, they do saga that time now. It's your ex-friend, ya mu budo gbefo, wakirune rurure, udwa, if that one can't take live video, she they insult us, so. Now she insult her, she go they tell that one, say, I they insult the sis. Now you insult me, and they insult you, I not put that one, John. Because they tell say, you they, she they insult us, sis. She they insult us, sis. That one, now, you don't watch the video. That one, sis, say, now only you, now insult. By the time you they write for comment, that one not go mind you again. So they say, you know, they see my comment. You just they ignore my comment. You know, they see my comment. Because your comment that time, now they no say na you. What later she'll come carry for she'll come cut that one. She dey insult us since. When you go watch, she come to insult us. That one will say, lovely matter, no, they let me talk. Not be waiting your friend they tell you that time. Not be waiting she they tell you that time. You push that woman to insult me. The woman never ready to insult me. You push her. You think I don't know everything? You push that woman to insult me. She never ready to insult me. Then you're going for can they insult us so that one go they talk another thing. Only I come from the baby. When they show this capello. When they show wig. That one go they show. I don't they look. I say look. This one they make money for you. You dey here they report lovely. That second one they tell which one they that one. She see insult you well. Oh, leave these people. What they tell us say she dey eat hamburger. Now money when you eat hamburger. How much you take eat hamburger? How much you take the money when you should eat hamburger? I beg. And they give you receipt. This is New Year. And we have to calculate hamburger money for you. This is just New Year. I beg, just start it now for January. December, may you bring the receipt come. May you see whether you go even eat reach 300 euro. If you feel it hamburger reach 400 euro, bring the receipt, carry come on. Because your friend, they tell you, say, you dey chop hamburger. He put out for what they talk. Don't be say you dey chop. I already now, the village you know, Bonuhule. Why get the less on the village or Lugu? There's a village where they eat vulture. You know whether the village they eat vulture. And a nickname, now they use and take give the village. Don't be say that they chop vulture. You don't ever see vulture. Vulture they stay for far away. I go yeah, they chop McDonald's. And another one now you want to come to a fight. I beg you not get work from out again. Make you enter house. Get a women from America. Let they call you. From London, let they call you. From Italy, let they call you. Anywhere, let they call you. From Canada, let they call you. Just tell them that the woman ask you, the girl that her mother said she's receiving 4,000 euro. Did you see the, can you say, yes, she showed it online. You see the name of the girl? Yes, she showed the name of the girl. How old is she? It's 22 years. What? What, how? She said she built a little company by herself. Who say, wow, so intelligent woman and intelligent daughter. You don't say they go give me kudos. They say, na mumu, they follow you. The American people, when they follow you, they say you be better person. They don't know say na mumu.com, that you be. Where they now, they don't jackpa. They don't jackpa, they're there everywhere, so they look me. So they look me, oh, you don't know. Now, it's not say that they look, or they don't spread poof everywhere. It's like, Kokona, how you doing? I'm from America, I live in Thai size. I say, hey, you've had a follow Lolo before. You go say, yeah, I was going with that woman. She's not normal. You know? And they go see her. You win talk to Cora, Mufia. You carry collar, you put on for top of basin, you put on for your head. That nyakasha. Na Cora mata go bend your head. Na Cora, see her today now. No, we dey talk of children when the live video that you did yesterday now, you were trying to brainwash people. A lot of women, will be say yes, their children did that age. They go to ask you, a 22 years old girl, did she act in movie? No. My pikin know they dance for this thing, Instagram. You know they shake hands for Instagram. You know they shake hands for TikTok. You know they shake hands for Facebook. See when they follow or you both sit down, they do meeting. To construct I wish English I will like use for they don't escape me. Now they come they tell your foolish people when they follow you. Are you serious? People walk under my daughter as she did, so people walk under my daughter. No. They zuzu for them. The day when my second daughter go work with her, there is a place where she won't go work. Then he can't say her junior sister go. A day, you know how much she work a day? You know how much? Do you know how much you work? Go another place, go work. There they say, lovely. If my pikin they tap computer today, papa, you go they talk, you go they tap computer, you go they talk, and say, now wow. Sit down there. They say the daughter is this. Instead of your daughter to go to school, your daughter, who told you my daughter is not going to school? Sit down for there. Now so you take the taunt word upside down. This is Europe country. When your child is intelligent, or you both will push and say yes, you know if you come on for there. Intelligence. My daughter say na Italy, now you go do a master. Sit down for here, they shout. Say na IT, now she go do her master. They Facebook. They do live video. They do live video. Now can't be people for his house. Now Piki not they do any activity, nothing. Francis say somebody carry Piki, can say Piki they go football. Now that time I got the shot. The football run, Piki go outside, go use let they play for us. And I got the shot say my Piki they feed, they play football. Bring the club when they, the club when they bring a come. They email you. They don't email you for your children. Say yes, we find something in your child. They don't email you. As any person when the Piki they play football, they go email them. We find something in your child. We are watching. Ask anybody when you Piki be footballer, I go say lovely, you not lie. Before they buy my Piki, that was the message they were giving me. Giving me. Sit down for there. Nonsense. They do nyama. It is na me with you one come do a raw powder. Powder when you go raw finish, you go clear. And that one they deceive yourself. But inner heat, now mask, now be that powder. If they remove mask for your face, depression won't finish you. You won't be old cargo. Adomag. You when you stay for Otwansa, you stay for Benin, you stay for Lagos. How old are you? You be small Pikin. I don't waka. Naishan's day. Naishan go primary school. Naishan go secondary school. How be you when you go here? You be small Pikin. You want to tell me say na 10 years old. Now you go to the waka from Otwansa to Benin, from Benin to Lagos. Adomag. If they see your face, they don't know say you don't old. Remove hair for your head. My mama don't old rich like you before you go your ancestors. Mama not old like this. When I don't mind, and you the person old cargo. Me with you old pass. You senior me by age. Not stop deceiving yourself. You don't show for your head. You don't see your head. It be like calabash. When they take water, go farm. You don't see or that buko. Be like uko. If you not kuko like this, you go make koi. That your head now make person come naka. In hand you go disable. Oh no, say this about disable. Oh, but no sorry. They call person. Now me with you. You senior me. You went don't waka for here. Nonsense. How come they talk? When you enter abroad. When you enter abroad. How old you dey when you enter abroad? Before you dey waka for Lagos and all, how old? 16 years they waka for Lagos. 18 years they waka for Lagos, my people. 19 years they waka for Lagos. When you don't they waka for Lagos, they go everywhere. You never reach 20 years, 20-something years. As you come waka, you can't see sponsor and when pick you from the gutter when you dey. When they shout for you. Now when don't waka, they waka up and down, they go for different only Nigeria alone. All the whole city when they Nigeria una waka or tomorrow na go tell me say lovely, you senior me. I senior una. When I remove filter for my face. Make people say now wow. Una senior lovely na. Well they say lovely senior. No na senior lovely na filter na they take off her face. We filter see well whether you know even old pass Igwe. If you carry filter come up for you all pass una. I don't know why they call una 65 years. She be 75 years old woman. Why? Or domag. You look yourself say you be small Pikin. You look yourself say you be small Pikin. I yell. How old are you? I be smell picking every day. Now there be 41. But plus 1 today, plus 1 today, plus 1 today, plus 1 today. Before you come carry the plus 1 today, plus 1 today, they don't reach 46. Plus 1 today, plus 1 today. You don't reach 6. When they do bad, they when they know day. It don't pass this thing. If they not be 38 today, tomorrow they go be 40. If they not be 40 today, next tomorrow they go be 50. You don't laugh my personal person. Because they say, me will you be hot cargo? Me will lose our hair. Lose our hair without no makeup. Make commenters can't show put. No say na commenters na they zuzu you. They will put my picture for them, put your picture for them. They'll say, you be lovely senior sister now. Because they my pikin na 22 years old. Me say, I senior you. Old cargo. Nonsense. My people. Like they analyze and the one when I talk about you, make you change. Use and change. Not they analyze the one when pikin they progress. The one when pikin they progress. Ask anybody. Who you even they saga self. That man when you with and when they fought Lord you they fight, they saga you. Ask the man. Not be you talk say the man. He go school for Nigeria, he can't go school for let down man. Ask the man, say this man so picky like this, so the man will tell you, say, man, that child there, he try. Nonsense. It is now you now Facebook now call they not they bring something. Why would one show you? No worry. Now hospital now go show you. No worry, not to worry. You then when I go show you, you go say, now wow. Now that time you go say, she when the beginning they go school that time, she know they tell us. Now, she don't they work for hospital now. She don't they use occupation say they work now. And now she can't blog her. She can't blog her. There. Carry, open your arms. Open them for irrelevant people like you. That is where you open your arms like for irrelevant people like you. You don't know when it's enough. You don't know when to forget issue. You don't know when it do. You want to go lose hair. You for Europe. As you eat McDonald's rich, why your head they poo? As you eat McDonald's rich, I head don't zo. That head don't reach. The last day when she do hair, I say, Batie now. Now why? Don't stop, For your mind, wait till they analyze. Wait till concern my analyzation concern your own. They analyze it for your mind. Now analyzation now be. Now they analyze. My name is analyzation. Then they talk and say lovely. If you where you know see lovely go, you go so long and come. Now today you enter Facebook. Now today you know say they analyze. No, I know your picking when you come out for this Facebook will not be analyzation. I analyzation no age where that she friend no say. Is that not analyzation? Come they talk. They say they picking. Shut up. Now that time she fight talk, lovely children they fight for school. Lovely children they fight for school. Opti, she and her friend come crash. When her son, they carry small children up, they knock them for ground like this thing, Goliath. Like Goliath. The record can't come on. People say, now what till your children they do? Now you they say lovely children they do that time. Now what till your children they do? Now they say lovely children they do that time. I will say that record not come at that time now. Therefore still believe and say now wait till talk. Therefore still believe and say na truth. Now you friend, now you bring a comment. Say wait till she they talk about lovely at that time. Now have children but deny it. That's all you see sit down now. By the time now when we don't they show boys showcase now, that time now you can sit down beg and not be all children supposed to they do swimming pool now. Not be all children supposed to they play volleyball now. Not be all children supposed to they play basketball now. Not be all children supposed to do race now. That time now she'll come to change to people when she feel say she they brainwash. She don't know say she they destroy herself. By the time you thought that you are brainwashing people, destroying them, then you are destroying yourself. When somebody is living with you with that person, I know they grow. People will talk say, I will say down now. Where they grow? You know even better. Your friend don't see better. Now wow, on a lare on any guy, they don't give me salt. But I know they better. You know say when two friends they go, they know they do anything. You know say community they laugh, they don't say ya here we they laugh, ya lawa. I bet go see that they come, I bet more run enter inside house. Dog le bova any gaisha. Those they see that they come. Those two friends when they one go beg for gari, second one go beg for salt. Later the day one will come beg for soup. Later the day second one come beg for igyomi be, that is charcoal. Now so you with your fans be now. As you don't perish for social media. Say now that's your city room now you carry come out. You not try. Anybody when you say you try that person here. Now poverty sticking thing. Now you go die buy for your life. That one on city room. Ah. Everywhere will be like waiting they don't abandon for almost 5 years. But we have when person then I be like waiting they abandon for 5 years. If they come on they talk. You they do saga. Facebook people know only that parlor where they carry come out alone. You know they talk again. When they talk say these people nothing they are now. They not say shut up, they better pass you. Today who call? I think I don't see waiting. They use cloth take tie. You don't open that time they can't see pata for Ikebe. Nonsense. You will no get sense. Now me you want to follow the talk. You the zuzu. I beg you go lost, man. Don't try that, eh? When you are doing it, when you they attack somebody, no one answer you. You feel that person don't want to talk to you. Who are you, by the way? Who are you? See Fred that day. If that girl finish you, now everywhere you don't disgrace yourself, they go. As she they disgrace herself rich, she know they see money for inside. See your friend now go open yash for air. Before you go, no person go say, I check your account. I dash you money. Only got hey, don't dash me money. As you cough rich, money no come out. As you come stay for inside rich, you know I go money no come out. Person go they wear pullover for inside house. Baby la pullover, baby la pullover. Show me your particular baby la pullover. We they watch you. I said they watch you. For your mind, say they can't learn something for your wall. You they teach. Emi si no one lebe. Do a girl create to a motor. Oh, ya bunny miss you. No worry, I'll make up con. If I analyze again, you make bang. I'll make up con. You go see my face. I can't tell you say. I don't be person when they build up masquerades this thing. Nonsense. Now, I carry come Facebook come say. Courage today. This call when they take they say they don't see a sis call again. The need the way they say now the need they took for back and head. And then I wish I they took your eye. And then I wish I they took your eye. Now I see her. I see when one make something for life. She they use her business till they play. She's playing with her business. Nonsense. You know that they do business. I used to take this business well. Another business in me this year. Somebody send me email, say, Mama, come here. Wait till you carry come out for Facebook. I want to come buy. I must follow you buy. I will use and test on you. No worry. Maybe tomorrow now. The land is when you carry come. I will use them. Now me I fair trade, madam. Good afternoon, my corner. Customer, not just pass now. Customer come now. You go say how they come. Now we fair draw customer. What did they think? Nonsense. I trade the same time. I go to school. I go school. My sister Meg tell me yesterday, say, he need ruler. Later now, I will go find the number for my phone. Yeah, number then my phone. I will call and ask and say which one you need. You know, see, maybe Maggie now will still follow me by like 4-3. I will still get money inside. And he go still dash money for one. Some people when we say they need hair, if I give them hair, they say take. Mama, use this one to eat what you know how to eat. It's not easy to find something for internet. Now, go ahead, you carry come and come reach today. I'm if you guys want to come and she go debunk. And that's when I they do her. She first come and say I they go pick her for Dosby. And the when she carry come and they do. Now Dosby she go pick Cambo. Now Dosby she go pick Cambo. That time they wear jagbajastic all those fake hair. That time me they wear wig, original human hair. Then I go use the human hair. Can't tell people say, see the way when they you take use this one. She can't come. She can't use and take do live video. Can't reach today. No moon dark bare no reaseto. You use and take toto the day na which head. Use and take toto the day na which head. I got that boru pe the day na which you see this pin. Took for your eye, took for your eye. The day na which I know they for that one eye again. Yeah, people when they come fight me for Facebook who are dead DJ. And then I wish they took this one for your eye, they took this one for your eye bad, they took this one for your eye bad. And then I wish you eye. You should know they just want to see again. You see they took something to put for the eye. You wicked shot. I say, and then I wish you know they see where again. Now you see the true people for your eye. As I say true, and then I wish you so then I wish you got chook, need to put chook, need to chook, need to chook, need to chook, need to. I can't they watch. I watch you now. No one when I want they watch. Now let me lucky and not they watch. I watch me lucky. I like me lucky not they talk. My people, see you guys. You know, I don't ready finish. Now bye bye. Catch you